Imagine a world where every step you take is shadowed by a dull, throbbing ache. You look down and see those twisted, swollen veins crawling beneath your skin, a constant reminder of the battle your body is fighting, one that's visible for all to see. You've tried to ignore them, to cover them up, but the discomfort keeps growing, just like the veins themselves. Each day you feel more trapped by your own body, wondering if there's any way to break free from this invisible war. But here's the reality. Varicose veins are more than just a cosmetic issue. They're a sign of a deeper problem, a malfunction in the circulatory system that's causing blood to pool in the veins, turning them into bulging, twisted cords beneath the skin. It's a condition that affects millions of people, particularly women, and while it may start as a mild inconvenience, it can quickly become a source of pain and discomfort, impacting your quality of life. So, what can you do? Many turn to medical treatments like surgery or laser therapy, hoping for a quick fix. But these solutions can be invasive, expensive, and come with their own risks. And here's where the real challenge begins. How do you find relief without going under the knife? But there's hope. Nature, as it turns out, has provided us with powerful remedies. Simple yet effective solutions that have been used for centuries. One such remedy stands out from the rest horse chestnut extract. This ancient herbal remedy, derived from the seeds of the horse chestnut tree, has been celebrated for its ability to treat circulatory problems, especially varicose veins. So why horse chestnut extract? This herbal remedy is rich in a compound called iasin, which works wonders on varicose veins. Iasin reduces swelling and inflammation, two of the main culprits behind the discomfort and unsightly appearance of varicose veins. But it doesn't stop there. Iasin also strengthens the walls of your veins, improving their elasticity and preventing that dreaded blood pooling that leads to the formation of varicose veins in the first place. Fortunately, there's a whole arsenal of natural remedies at your disposal, each targeting a different aspect of this condition. So let's explore your options. First, there's witch hazel, a natural astringent known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically, witch hazel can soothe the skin and reduce the appearance of varicose veins, giving you immediate relief from that persistent irritation. But that's just the beginning. Grapeseed extract is another potent ally in this battle. It's packed with antioxidants that strengthen blood vessels and improve circulation, helping to prevent the formation of new varicose veins while reducing the severity of existing ones. So, what else can you do? You've likely heard of apple cider vinegar, that humble kitchen staple with a reputation for curing all sorts of ailments. When it comes to varicose veins, apple cider vinegar shines once again. Applied topically, it's believed to improve circulation and reduce swelling, making your veins less prominent and your legs more comfortable. But what if your veins are still causing you pain? That's where compression stockings come in. While not exactly a remedy, these stockings are a crucial part of managing varicose veins. By applying gentle pressure to your legs, they help improve blood flow and reduce the symptoms of varicose veins, giving you some much-needed relief during your daily activities. So, how can you boost your results? It turns out your diet can play a significant role in this fight. A diet rich in flavonoids, found in foods like berries, citrus fruits, and dark leafy greens, can improve your blood flow and reduce the pressure on your veins, helping to keep varicose veins at bay. But let's not forget about exercise. Regular physical activity is one of the best ways to improve circulation and reduce the risk of varicose veins. Simple exercises like walking, swimming, or cycling can work wonders for your veins, keeping the blood flowing and the pressure off. When you're not on your feet, make a habit of elevating your legs. This simple action can help reduce the swelling and discomfort associated with varicose veins by encouraging blood to flow back toward your heart, rather than pooling in your legs. Essential oils like cypress oil might be just what you need. When massaged into the skin, cypress oil can improve circulation and reduce the appearance of varicose veins, offering another layer of support in your natural treatment regimen. So what does all this mean for you? The battle against varicose veins is not one you have to fight alone, and it's certainly not one that requires drastic measures. With the right combination of natural remedies, lifestyle changes, and a little bit of patience, you can reclaim control over your body and your health. But here's the most important takeaway. This journey isn't just about eliminating varicose veins, it's about embracing a holistic approach to your well-being. By turning to natural remedies like horse chestnut extract, witch hazel, grapeseed extract, and more, you're not just treating the symptoms, you're supporting your body's overall health and resilience. So, the next time you glance down at your legs, don't see the veins as a losing battle. Instead, see them as a reminder of the powerful tools you have at your disposal. With nature on your side, you can not only manage your varicose veins but also emerge stronger, healthier, and more in tune with your body's natural rhythms. The fight may not be easy, but with these remedies you're well equipped to win. Remember, embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for more health tips and thank you for watching. I'm Asher Moss, signing off from Healing Herbs Hub.